Hello, welcome back to our channel. Want to send professional email from your own domain but keep Gmail's interface? Today, I'll walk you step by step through Gmail's Send Mail as setup so you can send from your custom domain directly inside Gmail. Let's jump in. First, sign into the Google account you'll use to send messages. Keep that tab open. Next step is to create an app password for secure SMTP access. Click your profile picture, choose Manage your Google account, then go to Search bar. Search app passwords and click on it. For the app name, type Mail. Then click Create. Copy the 16-character password that Google generates. You'll paste this into Gmail in a moment. Now open Gmail and go to Settings. Click the gear icon. Then select See All Settings. Switch to the Accounts and Import tab and find Send Mail As. Click. Add another email address. In the pop-up, type the display name you want recipients to see and enter your custom domain address, for example, hello@xyz.com. Uncheck Treat as an alias and click Next Step. On the SMTP configuration screen, enter smtp.gmail.com as a server. Use port 587. Type in your full Gmail address as a username. Paste the app password you created as a password. Select Secured Connection using TLS and then click Add Account. Gmail will send a verification email to your custom domain address. Open that inbox, copy the verification code and paste it back in the Gmail window, or click the confirmation link in the message. Once verified, your custom address is ready to use inside Gmail. From now on, when you compose a message, you can pick the From address from the dropdown and send as your custom domain while using Gmail's interface and tools. If replies should go to a different account, set the reply to address in the same Send Mail as settings. That's it. You've successfully set up Send Mail as with your custom domain. I hope this makes your email workflow more professional and convenient. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides.